Hi, I'm Zach, a Comfort Consultant at JK Mechanical. During the cold winter heating months, you may notice that dry air is causing discomfort for you and your family. Here are a few signs that indicate you may benefit from adding a whole home humidifier. First, dry sinuses, nosebleeds, and chronic congestion. Indoor air outside the ideal zone of 40 to 60% relative humidity can cause or worsen sinus issues such as allergies, asthma, and congestion. Properly humidified air helps stop the spread of viruses and bacteria as well. Second, static shocks. By boosting the moisture in the air, you can avoid the unpleasant clings and zaps from the electricity buildup. All right. Third, dry and flaky skin and lips. Dry skin occurs more often during the winter months because the water content of our skin tends to reflect the relative humidity of the air around you. In other words, if your indoor air is uncomfortably dry, your skin will be as well. Fourth, your wood floors and furnishings are warping. Organic home furnishings and materials such as wood and paper can shrink, wrap, or even crack if the humidity is too low. Here we go. Finally, an overall lack of comfort. While whole home humidifiers don't literally warm the air, they do add water vapor, which holds more heat than dry air. Properly balanced indoor humidity means that you can feel more comfortable even when your thermostat is set to a lower temperature, which is a win-win for both you and your budget. If you have any questions about whether one of these whole home humidifiers is right for you and your family, please give us a call or visit us online today at jkmechanical.com. Thank you.